Hi guys, my name is Ibrahim and I own a small business in Sierra Leone. Let me show you how easy it is for me to make payments using GTBank's automated payment system. It's called GAPS. This system gives you ultimate control on processing payments and transactions online in real time. So, you need to pay salaries or make payments to vendors. To start with, GTBank will give you a template spreadsheet like this with the payment amount, in this case 1 Leone to each of these guys, the date, name of the vendors and their account number. Here is how it works. Go to ebank.gtb.sl, log in with your access code, username and password. Check the left-hand corner of the new screen. You'll see a role as the uploader. Click Bulk Transactions on the left of the screen. Then click Upload Payment File and select Credit Beneficiary. Choose Account to Debit and Payment Type. Skip Payment Mode for other bank transfer. Go further down and click No because the account number is used instead of BBAN. Go down, select Choose File, select the already processed Excel sheet and upload. Now go through the entries, ensure the amount of valid transactions equal the number of payments being made. If all is okay, then submit to the next level for authorization. An email will be sent to the reviewer for approval. GTBank, wouldn't you rather bank with us?